Today we're making this square with petals. Let's begin. Once we've completed that ring, we'll change colours and we'll start with our second round, which is the flower. Going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to create into that same stitch. We're going to create the popcorn. So it's 4 popcorns of treble crochet. So 1, 2. So that's first treble there. So we complete the whole thing. So 2, yeah. 3. Now we do the last one, last treble. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we pull that out and we go to the first one here. Insert our needle and we pull it through. See? That's how we get that popcorn. Then we chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll slip stitch here. Here I've completed the 8 petals. And look how nice that is. So we'll join the white again and third round. Let's just got to join at the top. Chain 1. Single crochet and then chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then we single crochet into that petal, so we skip a petal. Okay, now we chain 1 and then let's single crochet in here. So single crochet. So that's the first one there. Now we're going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we are going to do a single crochet. So we'll skip this second one and we'll move straight to this third one in here. And that's a single crochet. See? And we'll repeat that all the way around. So chain 10, skip 1, single crochet. So we end up with something that looks like this. And then we single crochet in here. Okay, now we'll do a picot. So it's 1, 2, 3, and we just slip stitch in there. See? We end up with that. Now we will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochets. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will create our edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we just slip stitch. See? And then we just continue with the single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then number 6, which will be above the one below. Have it. And then if you create more of these, you just join them on the edges, and it creates a really nice, very airy fabric. Hope you've enjoyed it.